Hi there, it's Linda J. Hahn, and I am here at AQS Quilt Week in beautiful Des Moines, Iowa. And I have a tip for you. I'm going to show you how to change your rotary blade. We have our rotary cutter and we are ready to change the blade. We're going to take the rotary cutter, turn it over, and unscrew it. And we're going to place it down on the table in the order that we unscrew it. Okay. The blade is still sharp. It's a dull blade, but it's still sharp. So you need to be very careful. And when you dispose of this, you may want to put it in the container that the new blade came in, because many times they come in a plastic container, or tape it up, something to protect it because it's still sharp. So we're going to put it away, and then we're going to bring our new blade and place it over. This is really sharp. Okay. Then we have our rotary cutter. Keep your fingers down here so the blade does not pop out. We'll pick up the washer and we'll wiggle this down, and the screw. And our new blade is ready to go. Now, the other thing I'm going to tell you about rotary cutters, especially in a classroom setting, you need to always shut your blade. Every time you put this rotary cutter down, please shut your blade. I have been cut reaching over with some fabric. I've been cut by open blades. People have dropped the blades and they cut parts of their feet. Please, please, for everybody's safety, close your rotary blade cover. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, my brand new book is just out, Radiant Blocks for Endless Quilts, and it has 10 brand new New York Beauty designs using the same simplified method that I have been teaching. It's fun, it's exciting. Thank you for watching.